Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite time frame. And at last, we have got some good moves on the Euro USD chart because Euro USD was acting very dull when the week started, and luckily we have got some good moves. But we can see that market has formed some big red candles. Okay, and right now it is going down. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. Okay, so if I zoom out the chart, then we can see that overall trend of the market is still towards the upside. Overall market is still an uptrend. No doubt market is right now going down, but overall trend, I'm talking about the overall trend, and we can see that overall trend is up. And as I always say, we should always follow the trend. Does it mean that still we should go for buying order only? No. Okay, because see, overall trend is towards the upside. Market is an uptrend, no doubt about it. Okay, but I have already shown in my previous videos that see, if I tell you to concentrate on this particular portion, okay, let me remove these lines first. Okay, if I tell you to just focus on this particular portion, do you still think market is an uptrend? Hell no, market is in a sideways range. Okay, yes, overall trend is up, but right now market is in a range, market is sideways, and market is having some serious issues crossing this particular price level, because this level is acting as a resistance to the market. Okay, as of now, or for today's market session, we do not need this level, so I won't be discussing. Okay, so see, this level is important, and right now market is in a range. Okay, and we saw when the week started that there was not much volatility in the market was very flat, and I also mentioned that okay, wait for the volatility to come, because in market, okay, market, the volatility always shifts. Market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. Market was the volatility was almost negligible, so volatility came. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, because we have understood market is in uptrend, but right now market is sideways. So what should be a strategy? Strategy is, okay, we have one support level, but that support level is quite far away from the current market price. Okay, you can see that this is the next support level for the market right now. This is the next support level for the Euro USD, and right now you can see that market is trading far away. Okay, because there is a huge gap here. Okay, and considering this fall, if you're planning to short the market right here, if you're thinking that you should short the market right here, then you are wrong. Because see, if you want to short the market here, then your stop loss will be somewhere around here, at least above this level. Okay, if this level is your stop loss and you're shorting the market here, and this is your next support level, okay, this level, then you can easily see that your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, your SL is this much, and your reward is only this much. Your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor, and as I always say, never compromise with the trading discipline. So right now this is not the ideal position to short the market. And if you have already short the market, because wait, let me draw a line here. Okay. When market broke this trend line, if you have already short the market, then you are in a good profit right now. Enjoy the profit. And if you're looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh window to short the market, then you'll have to wait for some time, because see, your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor, and secondly, you can see that market is heavily oversold. So there are two factors are not in your favor. First is your risk to reward ratio is not matching, it is going against zero. So this is not the ideal position, and market is also in the oversold. sold, sold. Then what should be your strategy? Your strategy is simple. Okay, you'll have to wait for the market for a pullback, okay, or retracement. So when the market will be, see, we all know it very well, the market does not go down or go up in a straight line. Okay, so market will be going up a little. Okay, when market will be going up a little, okay, then keep your eyes on this stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, use this stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, you will get this indicator free of cost. So keep your eyes on the stochastic RSI indicator. See, it is an oscillating indicator. It will be going up again. When stochastic RSI will be going up again and reach the overbought zone, okay, then be alert, be cautious, because when it will be going down again like this, then just short the market. If you see that stochastic RSI is indicating that it is about to go down, and if you see that price is also about to go down, and if you see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or a red candle like this, or price rejection from above, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, the retracement is over, market is about to go down again. Okay, and you can short the market. You can also find market getting resistance from this trend line also. Okay, so there are many possibilities. Okay, whatever, wait for the retracement or pullback. When market will be going down again, then you can short the market. Your risk to reward ratio will be in your favor at that particular point of time. But right now market is not in the ideal position to short the market. I have already explained. So wait for some time, wait for a stochastic RSI indicator to be in the overbought zone. When it will be going down, you can short the market. Or if you see market going up, if it gets resistance from the from this trend line and starts to reverse, then also you can short the market. Whatever, wait for a retracement or pullback. Otherwise, do not short the market right now, because your risk to reward does not match, and you'll be compromising with the trading discipline. So wait for some time. Okay, market has given us a movement. That's the good news. Okay, so you'll get a good opportunity to short the market right now. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow with the analysis for the next week. Bye bye.